guys, we're back at that like thing, and we found some like air conditioning.
Natural air
This made
conditioning.
this like a cave, but it's actually air conditioning. Bull. If it was a cave, why can't I fit inside of it? And if it was, it's so
What's it feel like coming out of it?
nice, cold air. Very cold air. And we're at our campsite, and maybe sometimes you could come. And maybe sometime you could come here and check out that, and you might be
You
able
gotta
to
tell
find
them where you're at.
too.
Decorah,
Decorah,
Iowa.
Iowa.
Do you remember the campground?
Decorah, Iowa.
Remember the campground name? Pulpit
No.
Rock.
Pulpit Rock. Oh.
And the trail's right by Pulpit Rock Campground.
And this
Super
is-
fun.
Yeah, if sometimes.
So fun, especially on.
And if you guys want, you can come here sometime and try to find the air conditioning too.
You can also go water rafting.
Yeah, there's like,
Wasps. They like cold air.
yeah.
They
And
sign off.
we'll come and there's like a little shop you can get some stuff.